today we are at the Street Food Winter Festival 2021. Yes, as you hear, Street Food Winter Festival, Food Festival 2021. So today I will be giving a full tour of at this place. This looks so good. Like I can see crabs, everywhere, street food as we just discussed about. What's this guy can't wait? By the way, let's roll and tune. So guys, we are at the street food festival. Yep. So our first place will be the locust named area. It's on street food. I'll give you a tour of it. Locust, guys, locust. Let's go. Why this is not what? Yeah. This is the OZ right here. It's pretty cool looking, So the next one is Bison Burger. Next one, okay. And now comes the farmland, Jazz Eatery. Then comes the Rock House Slider. Then comes the 3Bs, Choco and Taco. Whoa, this one looks actually pretty cool. Oh. What we found? Oh. This one looks actually cool. Burger Force. This is offside. There's Frank's Steak Sauce. Wait, no, it's Frank's Steak Sandwiches. Then comes the underground restaurant. And that one is a bit size. Oh, they got some classic cars. Classic car. What in the world? This festival is pretty big, crowded also. I'm lost like that. And this is the other one, which is pretty cool looking. It's the 300 Fahrenheit. This is their menu, right here. Right here, menu. Oh my god, oh my god.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah, I saw the 300 Fahrenheit.
Did you buy a bigger camera?
Yeah, soon. This is the best camera till now.
No, you buy the big one for TV then.
So guys, I showed you the 300 Fahrenheit. They became so good friends of me and they allowed me to show everything. They talked with me and they even told that Kachi. So this is Coca-Cola Real Magic. Oh, it's a popcorn area named Coca-Cola. I can't even believe this. Dude, I think this is coffee because it has lots of coffee. Yep. Bun Kitchen. There are lots of places where I can only record in here, What is this? Sadai. This is kebab.
هذا beef.
Beef. Oh, okay. Thank you. So this one was main Thai. Yeah. And this is Petra. I know this. It's on our screen. Who doesn't know Petra? Oh, this one looks cool. The blue one.
Yeah? Okay, get her.
Oh, oh. We got some shops here. Toy shops. We got some Volnia. We got some bars. Guys, I just heard free Coca-Cola. Let's go. Be smooth. Excuse me.
ما في بوب كورن؟
One minute, huh?
ها؟
You watch me.
افا ليش؟
حبيبي.
زيرو واحد.
أعطينا
ايه
Excuse
كم
me.
فلوس؟ ما شاء الله زين والله. بارد ما في بارد يعني ماكو مشكلة. ماكو مشكلة جيب. يلا مشكور.
Ordered and then I got one. I ordered 3. 2. I asked 3. Thank you. Now I'm rich. 1 second, huh? I got some Coca-Cola for my brother. This food festival is so good. I just got 3 Coca-Colas for myself. As you saw, I showed you. I was carrying so funnily here. So I'm just enjoying my Coca-Cola. I'm so tired. Just having 1 Coca-Cola. Then I'll show you again. Not from the start, the missing ones. Because as I came here, I saw there was way more stalls. Hi guys, I just met my new subscriber right here.
Subscribe and like his videos
Thank
and
you.
share.
What's your name?
My name is Sanat.
Sanat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And if you can show my Instagram account if you want to.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
So
Explorer A.
you can follow.
1 second.
इसको channel दिखाना.
Yeah, right here. It's
174 into 50.
Yeah.
That's it.
Flying then hands are going fast. Let's go. Meet pirate. Oh, this is cute. Aww. So what's going on here? What are you making?
I'm making sushi.
Sushi. Oh, I've never seen somebody making this, so I'll see today, and my viewers also will see this.
شيف ربيع كل الكوزين اللي موجود بالعالم جميل جدا وكل كوزين له شهرته وله مهاراته وقصصه.
Oh my god! Whoa, this was so cool trick. Okay, so you put this up.
عرفتوا السؤال؟
Whoa.
يسوون منشن على حسابكم بالانستغرام 20 وتجاوبون على السؤال ليش سموا شيء 20 واللي يجاوب صح ويربح له جائزة بوكس مشاوي حق الشاليه حق المخيم بعدد 10
And it's ready. And it's ready, right? Yeah. So this is mayonnaise? Okay. Very nice. I like your skills.
really?
Yes.
Thank you.
So what are you making?
I am making
Beef patties.
yes, creamy mushroom burger.
Beef mushroom burger.
Yes. You like to make video?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Why not?
Who doesn't like to?
Whole video.
Yeah, I'm just doing it. Now I have low battery and I don't have idea what do I do. This has a different charger.
Ah, okay.
I got my router as a power bank here.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so I'll meet you again. Thank you. There are so many friendly people right here, you know. This is so good. One second. Hi, can I record? Yes. So what is this? Chips. And this is also chips? Yes. Chips. So much chips. I cannot hear. Mutton. Oh. Don't you think it's pretty big? We forgot something. I knew it. I forgot one thing. Let's go. So guys, I'm ending this video now. Hope please subscribe and like, comment, share this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't think you can hear me. Let's roll and view. Bye.
انا لو حطهم كلهم وبعدين قاس وايد اسهل
كمل هو يلا قاعد يرقص مع ربعه.
لا تركز معاهم كأنك ما تسمع هي كأنك ما تسمع
سيدة جلال تعالي معنا القي نظرة بس بدون ما تتكلمين مع احد.